What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the beeping, but it's not going to stop. We are currently in a 2014 International 7400 that is stuck in limp mode. We made all of the repairs over the past week. It started off with a clogged, I forget the exact name. It's basically like the DEF injector. It's what sprays the DEF into your exhaust. It was completely clogged and not spraying any DEF, and it kept throwing a code. We ended up changing that piece, and then sure enough, one of the hoses was torn after that. Once we got that unclogged, basically we put the new one on and it was starting to spray. The pressure released, all of the fluid was basically pissing out of the hose. So we ended up getting the hose, replacing the hose, and we did a parked regen, and there's no more active codes. It's just stuck in limp mode, and it has a stop engine light on. It has a stop sign, a triangle, check engine light, ABS light, a whole bunch of nonsense, and there is nothing wrong with the truck except the fact that it is stuck in limp mode. Our mechanic, Matt, cannot get this truck out of limp mode with his computer, his software. This is a dealer-only type of thing. It has to go to the dealer in order for them to basically just plug their computer in and reset. They have to flash the system is basically what they have to do to get it out of limp mode. It is super unfortunate. We don't have the International software. I don't even think International will sell it to you. You pretty much are stuck having to bring this to International for them to make the repair, but all of the repairs are done. They just need to plug their computer in. So anyway, we have a lowboy coming right now to tow this thing to International. It is only going to drive at like 5 miles per hour, so there is no chance of driving this to International. It has to go on a lowboy to get up there, but I'm going to pull it over in front of our salt bin. We're going to pull both of the plows off. That way, once the lowboy gets here, it is ready to go. That was weird. The PTO like didn't kick on. right, guys, there goes our truck. Hopefully we'll have it back soon. The guys at the service department there told me that they would let us kind of cut the line. They're like 2 weeks out on appointments. So when I spoke to him, I told him that all the repairs are made. We just need the system flashed, the computer flashed. And he was like, if you can get it here over the next couple days, we'll just jump it in. He said it only takes us a couple minutes. So hopefully they can get it cleared and we don't run into any other issues. He's going to call me once he has it done. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.